Hi, I am Dr. Mike. Let's briefly review free radicals and antioxidants. As you may or may not remember from the old high school days, atoms consist of a nucleus, neutrons, protons, and electrons. Let's talk about those electrons. These are negatively charged ions that basically float around the outer border of the atoms. These electrons are responsible for all chemical reactions in our body, and at the same time these electrons bond atoms together to form molecules. Now when those bonds are weak, the molecules split and free radicals are developed. Now, what exactly are those free radicals? Those free radicals are unstable molecules that try to steal an electron from neighboring molecules. And when they steal that electron, that neighboring molecule becomes unstable itself and becomes a free radical itself, therefore promoting a cycle of more and more, or a cascade of more and more free radicals. Now, this is actually a normal process. During our metabolism, we form free radicals. Sometimes the immune system produces those free radicals to neutralize harmful viruses and bacteria. But Mother Nature also gave us something to neutralize those free radicals, and those things are called antioxidants. If we don't have any antioxidants available to neutralize the free radicals eventually will harm on a cellular level and will cause disease. So, let's go into the antioxidants. Antioxidants are biomolecules that we find in many fruits and plants that basically give an electron to our unstable free radical and therefore stabilize or neutralize free radicals. Our antioxidant itself will not become a free radical by giving its electron away. And that's the key, and therefore it's an antioxidant because that's the properties it has. Now, common antioxidants out there are, for example, your vitamin C, your vitamin E, your whole array of B vitamins, a lot of the berries, the blueberry, the acai berry, the mangosteen, goji, noni, the muscadine grapes, the pomegranate, and all those kind of fruits and vegetables have those properties. Now, normally we get those antioxidants from Mother Nature, but we already established that many of our food sources don't have appropriate amounts of antioxidants because they're processed, so no appropriate amount of antioxidants to neutralize the free radicals, and therefore disease takes over. Okay? So there are antioxidants. They're very crucial in anti-aging and in preventing disease by neutralizing free radicals. Next, and the last topic I want to touch briefly upon in this video fragment is ORAC value. The scientists at the National Institute of Health developed a value called the ORAC value. ORAC stands for oxygen radiance absorbance capacity, which is a measurement of how potent certain antioxidants are in neutralizing those free radicals. The higher the value, the more potent the ingredients or the product is in neutralizing those free radicals. So in the next video, we will try to compare very popular juices and fruit juices and super drinks on the market and compare their ORAC values, and we'll find out which product has the highest ORAC value and therefore is the most effective in neutralizing those free radicals. Hang on and let's play the next video.